You're going to need an outdoor candy cane. I took a paintbrush and dipped it into the ultra dye and then painted it onto my glove. So while that's drying, I've got some ribbon from the dollar store, and I'm going to take a little hot glue and glue the start of the ribbon to the stake and the candy cane. Now I'll be opening the loofah scrubs, and we'll be using the white one, and I'm going to add some hot glue and hold it in place until it cools. I'm going to add a couple cotton balls to each finger. I'm going to take a plastic grocery bag and I'm going to put that in the center for the hand. Stick the string into the glove, and then I'm going to add some hot glue, cut a little piece of silver ribbon and stick it through a red bulb, add a little hot glue, then pinch it together between the pointer finger and the thumb until it cools.
So you're going to grab some garden pots that are plastic and some small basketballs. So I'm grabbing some black paint because I'm going to outline this bell, and then we're going to grab some white and we're going to strategically put the white in different areas. Then I grab some basketballs and then I'm just going to add highlights to them. I am going to add some string, make it extra secure with some hot glue so that I can hang these inside of the bell. We are going to drill some holes, and then we're going to grab some washers and a hook, thread our basketball through. Then we are going to knot this, and then we're going to push the hook through, turn that until it's totally snug. And we're going to add a few more washers and a nut, and we're going to secure that. Then I'm going to grab some rope and I'm going to tie that securely, and I'm going to double knot that. Then I'm going to grab some ribbon, so I'm going to make that into a bow. Then I'm going to grab some white paint and I'm going to make some stripes. And I also added some lighting to make them illuminate at night, and I love the way these holiday bells turned out.